The interior package. So we built this package with the idea that you will have a chemical, a tool, or a towel for literally every single detailing application on the interior of your car. From cleaning things like your leather to your plastics, your upholsteries, glass, infotainment screens, literally any surface you'll find in your interior, we have the tool or the chemical to clean and maintain it to look good for years to come. So this is a pretty substantial kit, so I'm going to break up the individual use cases and chemicals into a couple different sections. Starting with leather, we included our full Color Lock leather cleaning lineup. This includes everything you'll need to clean the leather fully and then protect it, as well as some Alcantara cleaner and the sanding pad to go with it. When it comes to carpets and upholsteries, we've included the Express Interior Cleaner, Freshen Up, as well as some Eden and Bliss to make sure your carpets are smelling good and they're also looking good. For cleaning glass, we have our Invisible Glass as well as some Vision. We also included the Easy Reach cleaning tool, and as far as accessories go, we included a handful of different brushes for different applications, some foam blocks for cleaning things or applying certain dressings, and 30 towels hand selected for use on the interior. We have videos on how to use all of these products on our Shorts channel, but again, essentially this is just a one-click solution to get everything you need for your interior. Now, that being said, this kit might be a little bit intimidating for people that are just getting into detailing. So I would recommend using this as a frame of reference to build your own kits off of. So if only cleaning leather is important to you at this time, you might want to check out the leather cleaning kit. If you have a lot of cloth or fabrics in your car, you'd probably want to check out the fabric cleaning kit, and then you can kind of build off of that. For those of you who want the full OG recommended solution for keeping your interior dialed in, this is the package you'll want to get.